Hello friends, in this video we will teach you how to upload a website or you can say host a website free of cost on Firebase. Firebase is a new company which is formed by Google and it provides certain projects which you can upload it for free of cost for testing your application or your website. So let's start how you can host your website for free on Firebase. First, before starting Firebase, you have to download node.js. You can get this from nodejs.org. Download the current version. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it, but you have to download it. Just download node.js and install it. Once you have downloaded, you have to just go to Firebase official website, that is firebase.com, and you have to just log in into a sign in button over here which will appear. After logging into your account, the same account which you are using as your Gmail account can be used for Firebase account, so there is no need to create a new account. Now after logging into your account, just create a new project. Just click on a new project. We will write here demo, 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 and select your country. This is we are from India, so we'll just click on India. Okay, create a project. It will create a project. See, the project has been created, the demo project has been created. For getting the URL of your website which is been hosted on Firebase, just click on the settings button, project setting. Here is your project ID. Just copy it, paste. After the paste, you have to just write .firebaseapp.com. See, site not found. This will show as you have not uploaded your host or hosted your website. Now we will go to hosting side. For hosting, you have to first go to your directory where you have made a website. Just create a folder named as public or any name folder and just drop your files in it. Just keep in mind that the front page should be index page and named as index.html, as index.html file will only be read. So as soon as you have done this, just click over here and write cmd and click enter. There are certain things which you have to install by node.js which you can get over here. I will share you the URL. So first you have to write npm install-g firebase-tools. Okay, now we will just install it. It is just installing. It will take some time for installation. Yeah, here it has been installed. Now you have to write Firebase login. Just log in into Firebase. It will ask you to allow to take access from your Gmail account. Press yes. Here it will open. You have to just mention your email account. Just do it. Make it allow. Okay, so you have allowed it. Now it has been successfully logged in as your account. Now the main important thing, after logging, now you are going to host your website. So write Firebase init, that is Firebase initializing. Okay, so it has been initialized. Are you ready to proceed? Yes. Why? See, there are two options, database and hosting. These two options. So we are right now hosting a website, so we don't need a database. So by pressing spacebar, we will uncheck the database and we just go to hosting and click enter. See, there is a demo file shown over here. You can just click on which file you have to host a website. That is name is demo. We have made a demo, so we'll just click enter on demo. Do you want to use as your public directory? What do you want to use as your public directory? Here we will put the name of the folder. See, here is a public name in which we have made the files. Okay, so we'll just make it as a public. We'll just write over here public, public, and press enter. Configure as a single page app. Rewrite all URLs to index.html. We will say no, as we have done it. File public index.html already exists. Override. No, we won't be override because we have made changes in our HTML files. As if we overwrite it, the default page of Firebase will occur. So we have made changes in index page, so we'll do no. We don't want to change or overwrite the existing file, and press enter. So now Firebase initializing is been completed. You can see here Firebase options are arrived. Now we will just write deployed. Firebase deploy, DEPLOY. See, here automatically a deployed file has been occurred. Now it will just host your website in few seconds. See, hosting has been started. 3 files uploaded successfully. See, your hosted site. Your site has been hosted on this http fir/5bbc.firebaseapp.com. So you can just visit the website over there. FireBBC. This is the same name. We will just go over there and see. This is your app has been hosted. We'll just go to it. Your website has been hosted. It is the same name. If you forgot the name, you can just go to Firebase console, your Firebase project settings. Here you can get project ID, copy it, paste .firebaseapp.com and enter. See, this is how you can host your website for free of cost on firebaseapp.com. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website. Thank you.